Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is think. Think. Here's a picture of someone thinking. Here's think in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Think means to believe something or have an opinion or idea. Think. Past progressive was thinking, past, thought. Present progressive, thinking, present, think, and future, will think. Let's build a sentence. They thought. Here, we are going to use the past tense. Remember to pause the video and write everything down at each piece. That'll make this easier for you. Let's build a sentence. They thought, What? What did they think? They thought they were late. Okay. See how each piece becomes a full sentence? Let's build a sentence. They thought they were late. Why? Why were they late? They thought they were late for school. Each question adds more detail. So let's build a sentence. They thought they were late for school. When? When did they think they were late? They thought they were late for school this morning. Let's build a sentence. They thought they were late for school this morning. Why? Why were they late this morning? Because their alarm didn't ring. Okay, that makes sense. Let's build a sentence. They thought they were late for school this morning because their alarm didn't ring. When? When didn't their alarm ring? At 7:30 a.m. Oh, that happens to me sometimes. See how we built a sentence? This is why I want you all to think about the question words: who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These question words make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. So I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.